Alleged abusers charged. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, taxi operators in central Manchester restive over the delayed implementation of the 16% fare hike, and swimming banned in several sections of Treasure Beach. There's also Saturday's sports special and weather in this newscast, but I'll have the news in detail right after this break.